my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope you're having a great day, and we are back today shopping at ALDI. Of course, we're going to search for all the new items today. So let's get started. The Snap and Go pods and puzzle container. Okay, these are $4.99 each. Let me see which one I could grab. Okay, this is the puzzle container. Well, that looks fun. You can place some fun snacks in here. Now, this is a 3-piece set, and then we have the 4-piece set, and these snap together as well. Oh, these look really fun, and honestly, kids and adults, but place little snacks in there. I like these, and the price is just right. Now, for $12.99, you have a fan with a wireless phone charger. I love that everything has a wireless phone charger. There's really no excuse for the phones going out. And then you have the 5-inch rechargeable fan, $7.99. That is nice because then you can use that anywhere that you need to. $14.99. This is the Sonic electric toothbrush. You have 4 colors to choose from. It also comes with 4 brush heads. So it says it's a 1-year supply, so you change your brush every 3 months. And then right next to it, the Pokemon. This is a trading card game for $17.99. My daughter used to be into this, but I don't think she is much anymore. But if your kid is, these look fun. Looks like there's a couple of different ones as well. And then for $7.99, these are the activity books. A lot of different, from like different shows. Now, the glass bird bath. This is $14.99. Okay, this is fun because you have 2 ways to use it. You could hang it up, or there's a stake so you can place it in your garden. And we see 2 different ones here. This is really pretty, and for the price, it's not a bad price at all. And then you've got your chimes. These are ceramic wind chimes. Looks like 2 different designs. Those are $9.99. And some fun garden items. And then for $19.99, now these are a little bit of a higher price. Color changing LED orbs. So this is a set of 2. So far I just see the red. But I'm assuming it's going to probably change more colors than that. And then this one, if I could get it going. There we go. Well, those would be really pretty, especially at night. But yeah, $19.99 each. And it's $6.99. These little garden statues are so adorable. You got a couple to choose from. Actually, 6. You got the squirrel, the frog. It's a little bunny back there. A gnome. I like the fairy and the little hedgehog. Very lightweight, so I'm going to assume these are hollow. But those are adorable. And you have the kinetic wind spinner, $9.99. Now this is a lot smaller than the one that we saw a couple of weeks ago. Those are gone. But a couple different ones to choose from. Oh, these have a choice. So you could put them in the ground, or you could hang them from a hook. And then some more garden items. You got your birds, tall garden statue, $14.99. So as tall, like 34 inches, and this one is about 30. Yeah, they're both about 34 inches high. Okay, that's a good height. I'm assuming you have to put those together. Now, $4.99, the mosaic LED garden stake. These look really pretty. I like these. I always find some fun garden items here at ALDI because they're always a really good price. I'm trying to see, I'm assuming this lights up. Yeah, here it is. There is the solar light. How pretty. So I'm seeing about 3, maybe 4 different designs. And of course, for $16.99, the bunch of O balloons. There's 130 of them in there, but it has a little tossing item in there as well. Now, this is $50. It's an electric cool box. So you just plug this in. But is it for the car? This was just kind of heavy, so I had a hard time kind of like really examining it. If you know more about that item, let us know in the comments below. The 3-tier urn planter, This is nice. I'm gonna assume this is probably plastic. $19.99. But it looks really pretty once you put it together and then add your favorite flowers to it. And then you have the portable mat and lounge. Okay, that looks interesting. And these are nice and foam. Yeah, if you kind of want to like lay out, you don't have to be directly on the ground. I like that, a little extra padding. And I see only 2 designs here at the store, but $11.29, not a bad price at all. And yeah, a lot of this stuff has just been put out, so it's very tight, hard to get out of the boxes, but $12.99. Now here's another foldable mat, but you have a backrest. Oh, I like this one even more. So it's lightweight, but check that out. I like this one. And it has a little pocket in the back. Well, how fun are these? So here I'm only seeing 2 colors. I see the orange and the blue. And then for $14.99, the little portable charcoal grill. Well, I remember like my parents having one of these when I was a kid. And it was just like a little one that we could take to the lake. And that looks fun. And $9.99. What is this one? Oh, it's a colander. So I like this because, you know, depending on everybody's sink is a different size, so you could adjust this. And then it just pops right down. Easy to store away. And that is a good price for that one. Now, I know I showed this a couple of weeks ago and I couldn't find a price. It was that grilling shredding set. You got your barbecue sauce and your dry rub, and that is $12.99. And then for $6.97, this is very interesting. The Downy Rinse and Refresh. So this is like more of removing odors, and it's a lavender. There's a lot of these items to make your clothes smell good. Now, I know I showed this last week and I was going to pick one up and I forgot, but $6.69, it actually dropped in price because last week it was $8.99. So I'm going to grab this one. It's lightweight, but for the beach, this is going to be perfect. Okay, $12.99. And I was kind of hoping it was a Stomp Rocket. That is really fun. I just could not find a price on that one. But $12.99 is the wooden lawn dice. And I know the last couple of weeks we showed a couple of the games for the outdoors. They still have a lot of them. $4.99. You have your luxury 2-wick candle. Now the candles at Aldi. Aldi carries a lot of different candles, a lot of different scents. And honestly, the prices are just right. They're not overwhelming. I know sometimes some candles can be really strong, but they're good prices. And yeah, I like the double wick as well. It helps burn evenly. Now, $14.99, the Beverage Dispenser. We had a little bit of a whoops here on the filming. Somebody accidentally bumped into me, but that happens. It's okay. Now, that Pop to Play lemonade stand, that is $30. You do have to put that together. Fun for the kids. And $2.84, the assorted mustards are back. So I only see the 3 here. So the honey mustard, which my husband loves. And then you have your cream style horseradish. It has a little kick to it. And then your stone ground mustard. That was really good as well. Now, $8.99. I love these fold away buckets. And if you're limited on space, or maybe you need one for the camper or camping, or I mean anything, this is really nice. Because I know sometimes buckets can take up some room. And then the drain kit, this is really nice, especially for camping. And or if you have, like, you know, if you're on the road, a lot of different ways. Now, $4.48, Johnny Pops. 2 really great flavors. You got the watermelon, and then you got your red, white, and blue. And those are always so fun. And then $5.99, these egg, cheese, or sausage. These little breakfast sandwiches look really good. They're in a pita. So these look tasty. At $3.12, yep, the Jimmy Dean Delights, those breakfast bowls. This is turkey. You got 19 grams of protein. And then $4.99, yep, I love these hash browns. A set of 20. It's a good price. And of course, you got your Tater Tots. And those are always good. And those are $3.79. $8.49, the Chicago-inspired Italian-style beef. We've seen a lot of different burgers. You have that Philly cheesesteak. I just noticed that on the side. At $5.99, crispy stuffed shrimp. Oh, these sound really good. Creamy jalapeno. And then you have the creamy garlic and spinach. The creamy wonton. Oh, these sound yummy. And so any of the items that we're showing today, any of the items you have used or you have tried, let us know your feedback. We always love to hear the feedback of some of these items here at Aldi. $4.99. Oh, this sounds yummy. I love root beer flows. I haven't had one in so long, but it's a root beer and vanilla ice cream all together. Now, their breads. I do like their breads. So $3.29. This is the ciabatta. I saw a recipe somebody showed, like with pesto dressing. You have your ciabatta bread, and of course tomato and mozzarella, and you know, just like for a caprese sandwich. So I definitely want to make one of those. It sounds so good. And sometimes I order that in a restaurant if it's available. And at $2.95, okay, these garlic knots are really good. I'm grabbing the last bag. Hopefully they'll get some more in, but these are really tasty, easy to make. And 89 cents for a pineapple. This is awesome. I'm definitely gonna grab one of these. And you always want to check the leaves, but these are good and ripe. They're ready to go. And the price is perfect. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and until next time we shop, I'll talk to you later.